Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Fiesta wiper blades. Start by raising the wiper arm and locating the release tab on the blade connector. Press the tab and slide the old blade off the hook or adapter, then align the new blade and snap it into place securely. Repeat on the other side, lower the arm gently, and test the sweep to confirm full contact and smooth motion. Begin with one blade at a time to stay organized and avoid mixing parts. Secure the arm in the raised position and place a soft cloth on the glass. Find the connector tab, press firmly, and pull the blade free while supporting the arm. Inspect the adapter and remove any debris before fitting the new blade to ensure proper alignment and prevent chatter during wiping. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more handy how-tos. Quick recommendation: the leak-proof meal prep containers make post-repair snacks less messy and keep your tools grease-free, perfect for roadside fixes or garage days. They seal tight, stack neatly, and save time between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you like, and now let's get back to the video. Handle the new blades gently to avoid bending the frame or damaging the rubber edge. Line up the adapter with the arm and slide the blade into place until you feel or hear a solid click. Carefully lower the arm to the glass and cycle the wipers with washer fluid to check for streaks or gaps. If needed, reseat the blade to improve contact and ensure even pressure across the windshield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.